Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be attempting to fix this broken motherboard here because it does not post. So this motherboard turns on, but nothing happens. So it has some issues posting, and don't know the reason behind this, but this happened after I replaced the capacitors on it, and these capacitors should be compatible with it. I think I installed them correctly, but it's not posting. So what I'm going to be doing is just refilling a bunch of stuff on the board, which I don't think would help. So you can see where you can see my soldering job there on the capacitors. It's not the best, but it works. Well, it probably works because the motherboard doesn't work properly. So over here, I'm gonna start on these two here. Oh, that's some X. I can zoom in. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm going to be using a solder sucker to suck up the solder. I'll heat it up first and then suck up the solder. So just gonna be heating that up. So just gonna do that. Start on this one. It's pretty clean. There we go. That one has been desoldered, I guess. The solder has been removed from that. It's time to move on to the ones down here. There's some flux over there, so it's kind of smoking up a little bit. So that one looks good. So I'm gonna move on to these ones right here. Just gonna keep pointing at them. There we go. There we go. And the next one. There we go. So these ones here have been successfully had the solder removed from them. Now these two here. Just gonna heat it up. Then once we're done, once I'm done resoldering everything, reflowing everything, gonna go ahead and test the board out. So chips cleaner. So these ones here are done. These ones here are done. These ones here are done. These two here are done. Let's see. That might be it. Now I'm gonna just take a look around and look for anything that looks suspicious, any joints that look damaged. They look okay. Yeah, they look fine. So let's get out the solder. So this is lead-based solder right here. Then yeah, let's just get straight to it. So it's 699. Huh. Didn't heat up. Okay, now it did. So, time to resolder everything. This one here actually did not get desoldered properly. There we go. It's not working. So maybe adding fresh solder will help. I'm going to use the so here, oh, it's lead-free solder. Okay, never mind, my bad. So it's lead-free solder here. Gonna take the wire here. So lead-free solder. Yep, lead-free solder. Okay. Making progress. Add some more solder. Oh. Okay. So, soldering iron is right there. Having some trouble removing the old solder from here. There we go. Well, can't get that solder off for some reason. So what I'm gonna do now is just add solder. So I'll be back. So just added new solder to the capacitor, so just making sure. Yep, that's it. And then yeah, everything looks okay. Okay, so let's get this motherboard connected to power. So I'm just gonna get this casing here, grab the power supply out of it, and I'll be back once I've gotten everything set. Okay, so I've got everything set up. All I need to do now is just get the PC speaker from the computer here, and then I'll be good to go. There we go. I gotta connect it, and speaker should be right there. Now, power button is right there, okay. Moment of truth. Connect the power cable to the outlets. So, power supply is getting power. Now let's short out the power button pins. Not a surprise. There's no RAM. Oops. Alright, let me go get some RAM. Okay, got some RAM installed, but I doubt that's gonna help with anything. Well, what did I expect? Oh shit. CPU is very hot. Not sure if the CPU failed or anything, but oh man, that CPU is hot. Finger's fine though. So I think it could be a failed CPU here. It's working fine before. If I power it on. So not sure what's up with that. Oh. That's weird. I clicked Control Alt Delete on the keyboard and then it just started making a weird sound. I don't think that's normal. Let's try again. No, this sounds bad. Well, I have to do some more diagnosing off camera, but I think that'll be it for this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.